What up, nerds?
Hey, what's up, everyone? Hi.
Hello. Hello. Temtic, Code Monk.
Hey.
What's up?
Good to see you guys.
Hello, hello. It's Saturday.
It is. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, here we go.
Well, come on in, nerds. Hope you're doing well.
Yeah.
Saturday, so it can't be that bad, right?
Can't be
right.
that
All right. It's game dev time.
Yeah. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're already putting me
Yep.
on display here.
In terms of the art department
Yeah.
and on the little intro comic that we're doing, this is where Celine is at the moment.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be carrying on with our little outbreak comic situation, just trying to explain here how, Cure was developed, the scientists ran out the building with it, but, zombies were chasing after them, and then just show that they can be turned back into humans.
Yeah.
So that's the plan here.
And then hopefully we'll in Godot we'll be able to animate each little card and do some fun stuff. Animate it a little bit. Yeah. And then that's what we're on right now. We're trying to get this next patch going, hopefully this weekend. Right? We're trying to get the game to a place where we'd be comfortable pausing it for a bit while we go back to our Cat Cafe game.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a couple things in the agenda. One being this, of course, the comic. Then I also want to add our Two Nerdy Nerds little splash screen at the start of the game. That should be fun. We need to add some little tutorials just to make sure that the players that don't like to experiment much still understand the main mechanic of the game and not just think the game is broken.
Because the comic also is not gonna it's not gonna explain how the game works. It's
No,
just kind
it's
of giving you a little bit of lore, like just a little sprinkle of lore,
Yeah. True. So yeah. While Celine starts on that, we're gonna be doing some stuff. I think we're gonna start with a quick bug fix because those are fun. Am I right?
Oh. We did find one yesterday.
That's exactly the one. Yep.
The little peepos were just like poofing out of existence.
Yeah, I think I can show it actually. So the way the rescue works with the nerds. Oh, I forgot to delete that test thing. I guess it helps. When they collide with the doors of the safe zones, they get despawned, right? Well, yesterday we found out those are always active. Boof. They just evaporate. Who knows how often that was happening?
So yeah, that's been there all along.
So yeah, gonna have to fix that.
Oop.
You don't even get rewarded for the rescue. They just get Thanos snapped.
You should have seen his face when he saw that. He was like, "What?"
I was really confused because all the code changes that I was working on had nothing to do with that. So I was like, wait, how did I break that? That's impossible. Even my spaghetti code isn't that bad.
Oh dear God.
Yeah.
It's quite funny.
How are you guys? What have you been up to? Temtic, Code Monk, how's it going? Hope you had a bearable week. Maybe even a good week. Maybe.
Let's hope they have
That'd be
a good
nice.
week.
That would be great. Yeah, that bug must have been there since these things existed.
Yeah. It's going great. Thank you. Oh, that's great to hear. I
Nice.
love that. We love that.
We actually had a bit of a treat yesterday.
Oh yeah, we did.
Yeah, we have been opening some Lorcana packs. I don't know if you guys know what Lorcana is, but it's very exciting. It's like a Disney trading card game, and I love it.
It's very cute. I mostly love the art. I just because all the cards are drawn by different artists, right? And they are credited at the bottom of the card, which is awesome. And then I love to see it. I'm like just looking at them. I don't even care what they do. He's like reading all the stats, and I'm just like, pretty colors.
Pretty. Yeah, I've been building some decks and stuff. It's fun times. Also, something I worked on yesterday. I made the controversial decisions to give the cured nerds an extra brain cell.
Oh my god, that's right. They're now semi-smart.
So you see there's a couple raycasts here. If we go and play, you will see if I didn't do anything
break it.
stupid, they now go around obstacles.
Temtic says, theoretically, this game is a card deck game. There are cards. You have a deck. I would say it qualifies. Yeah.
True.
Facts.
Yeah, I mean, it works pretty well. They can now, like, for the most part, avoid obstacles. So humans will no longer get stuck on literally anything. Oh, she got stuck.
You know, the game just loves to prove you wrong, doesn't
it? They figure it out, you know? There you go. See? It works for the most part.
Clip it. That needs to be clipped.
I did say single brain cell. I didn't lie.
That is quite.
Yeah. So that should help with all sorts of things.
Already clipped it. I love that. I won that one.
Yeah. Yippee. I love when the lady sprite, the lady person, when gets rescued, because all the sounds are random, and then there's pitch randomness on top. I love when you get the lady rescued, and then it picks my yippee clip, and then pitches it down. So it's like the lady gets rescued, and it's like, yippee.
Hey, you know, we like some variety, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So that's fun. So let's fix this real quick. I'm sure it's gonna be super easy, no problemo.
Famous last words.
Yeah. So we can go over to this. Yeah. We have our despawn area. Been a while since I touched this. I believe the human decides when extraction detector. Yes.
There it is. They don't get stuck anymore.
Nice.
I think that one's great.
Thick, always with that clip trigger finger at the ready. I love it. So that this morning, Temtic, Maka was extremely interested by the seashells you found for us.
Oh yes.
She was all over that bag.
I'm trying to think of a way to play them. They're so cute.
Yeah, we're trying to sleep and there's just jiggling of the bag full of seashells. Maka was just rolling around in it.
I think 'cause she can smell the sea. Like, oh, I want it.
So we have a despawn area. Which I don't do anything
Where
with.
is she? I don't.
Get activated.
Maybe she's tucked away somewhere.
Extraction point. Sets the extraction area to monitorable. Right.
She smells fish. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we create an enable function that will handle both things. So it'll do both this guess just this. And then despawn area that deferred. Monitorable. That way we're activating both things. And then here I can do something like that. Here. Start out. What? Not true.
Having issues already.
On this. You can do also a disable.
Alrighty.
Made that deferred false area deferred monitorable. What? Here we just call table. Try that. So now no more Thanos snap, hopefully.
Snap.
Go over here. This is where the despawn area.
Did they despawn?
Oh, I broke something else.
Oh no.
I misspelled. And that's why strings are bad, guys. But it's okay.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm sure Godot.
You got there in the end.
Yeah, actually, Godot has made some really cool changes to do away with strings in a lot of places, but some, you know, still a thing. Okay.
It's okay.
Look at that. Look at this smart
Look at this
little nerd just dodging.
brain cell individual.
It's incredible. Revolutionary.
I still think you need to test it like when you're so fast and like, you know, you're like completely on the other side of the bunker or the lake, just to see how far their brain cells stretch.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Okay, so that worked, but let's
better not say anything clippable. I don't think we did. Definitely not.
Cool. Now I just need to test that the unlocking still works. I'm gonna break it. Which... Brain. We're getting into gear. We can test like so. Oh, no more Thanos snap. But if we unlock... Oh, I missed. Oh, saved. If we go here, we unlock. It's active. And then rescue.
And then there's the rescue work.
Nice.
Woo! Hey!
He fixed it!
Perfection.
Hooray!
Cool beaners. Let's remove this debug lady.
Debug lady.
No longer require your services.
See, there was nothing to fear. Everything's fine, right?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Fixed. Thanos snap. Unlocked extraction zones. Yup.
Yup.
Cool. All right, let's do something fun. Well, let's see if it's fun. It might be a pain in the ass, actually.
Oh, hey.
Arburing. Hello. You can do set monitorable, call deferred, false to avoid a string. Ah. Set monitorable being a method. There's no autocomplete for setters. So this is a setter. I guess that's what you mean.
Imposter. Where red. Even Maka's nest is on something orange and red.
What is?
I'm not,
like this?
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not on brand today. It's your fault because I saw you with the white shirt and I thought, oh, we're doing white today.
You asked and I said no. You just didn't believe me, I guess.
Well, I apologize.
Go set monitorable. Oh, it was in my history, so I already searched for it. That's interesting.
Excuse. Well, I mean, I only have like the one shirt. I need to get a bunch of red shirts. Like,
Yeah,
like
same.
a cartoon character. I need to build a cartoon character wardrobe, so it's just red shirts.
Yeah. Yeah, this one, it's gonna get real hot soon, and this is not gonna work. Arburing. So you mentioned, so like because it's a setter, it wouldn't be like in the documentation and stuff, or do you think that was a previous version of Godot, perhaps? Because it doesn't seem like that method exists as far as the docs are concerned. It's in the documentation.
Just keep the hoodie on them during the summer. Yeah, because it doesn't get hot here at all.
I see it. Gotcha. Being the setter. Yeah. Yeah.
You're just gonna be a little toasty. In that British summer. Finally.
Yeah. Okay. Would we think that's better than this? I guess. That monitorable dot call deferred. True. It's annoying that the editor doesn't know about it. But yeah, I think I agree that that would be better. At least it will error immediately and not like fail silently, right? So that's an improvement. I think so. Something like that. Let's try it. Absolutely. I agree. It is better. Hello, my zombs. Oh, I just completely broke the game, didn't I? Forgot to reset all my test code. Let's bring all this back. Going. Yep. Harboring, you working with Godot as well then, I assume. Any fun projects going on at the moment? See who got the rescue, and they're working, although this one is active at the start, so I don't think that would be impacted in any way. Let's cure one more. See if they get snapped. Over here. Okay. Looks like that worked. Nice. Oh boy. Now we just need to test the unlocking. Yes. Yep, working a bit on porting physics interpolation from Godot 3 to 4. Interesting. Interesting. The humans are so smart right now.
They're so clever.
Physics interpolation. Would you be able to explain that to my slightly smarter brain than the humans, but not much? Physics interpolation. Was that like changes to the Godot 4 has differences in their physics engine? Level curve can be a little unforgiving right now. I'm on level 3 and I already need 20. Ouchies. But I guess you get all the goodies from the elites and stuff as well. That's not so bad. I think it could be interesting to give the elite zomb more speed, but their rotation speed is kind of nerfed. So like they're fast, but you can like dodge them and they run past you for a bit. That could be interesting. That tough skin. I know. Run, little humans. Dodge the trees. You have the brain cells now.
You have the brain cells. Don't crash into the pine trees.
They did it. Rod. You go. Yippee!
Yippee!
Never gets old, does it?
I love it. It's so cute.
Oh yeah, let me note that down. Actually, something else that I want to do today is have a system to limit the sounds, to not play too many of the same sound at once. I think that could be fun as well. Limit the same sound from playing too much. Yeah, I think that could be a fun experiment. I have a rough idea on how I'll try and do that. Okay, there's the shed key. Now we can see if our change works. Works still with the new methods. All right. Looks good to me. It is a feature that allows you to put movement in code physics process, which runs at a fixed rate, while the renderer interpolates positions between ticks so the game still looks smooth at high refresh rates or low physics tick rates. Got it. Understood. Understood. Neat. Okay, that worked. Oh yeah, Celine, I don't know if I told you, but finally I was able to fix the problem with the cards down here. The preview.
Yeah.
Where the names went red sometimes.
Okay.
I finally was able to, I mean, it was stupid, but yeah.
Nice.
Because these cards, it just changes which card is shown.
Right.
So like when it went to a zombie card, it would change the title to red, but when it went to a normal card, it never changed it back to white. So
yeah.
it was simple.
It was simple change.
Right? Yeah, it just took me a while to understand what the heck was happening.
Hey, what matters is looking good now.
Zombies.
Assemble.
Okay, so that's the change. That fixed the thing. That fixed that thing.
Game looks cool. Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Appreciate that.
Yeah, we started off at the Pirate Software Game Jam. This was where this game was born, where the theme was It's Spreading. But yeah, we kind of fell in love with it, so we're giving it some more love before we return to our other project.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can try it yourself. That's true. The downloadable versions are in our Discord, but you can also find it on itch if you want to give it a go. I would dare you to beat the record of people rescued, but Mr. Code Monk in chat here is going to have some words to say about that.
we definitely need to set up some sort of leaderboard.
Yeah, true.
Get those high scores.
So, changed or use set monitorable instead of all. Instead of set deferred. Yeah. Neat.
Neato.
So what should we do next, chat? I don't know if you have any feelings either way. We can do our splash screen. The Two Nerdy Nerds splash screen. Title screen, whatever it's called. Or we can do the audio limiters. I don't know what sounds more interesting.
Oh my goodness. Hi,
Marco.
cats. Hey. Cuckoo.
Did anyone say splash? Really waiting for the next version. It is safe for the moment. Tempted. Got excited with the sound of splash.
Okay.
Well, let's do that then. Let's do a little splash. Which we can show. If I boot this up. I don't know if OBS will have a bit of a meltdown. But for our other game, the Super Cat Cafe, we have this game by Two Nerdy Nerds, little animation, and I think it'd be cute to bring that into this one as well. Let's try that.
It would be cute. I hope it works because it's pixel art.
Yeah. Another thing is that it's like in a different project.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I have to like import it or I can just copy pasta or how that works. I don't actually know. A shell on it. We should totally hide a shell or an otter or something somewhere.
On the game. Yeah, we can do that. We could,
Next to the pond.
Like a poster, like a little poster with like a little otter.
Yeah, a little aviator otter. I like that.
It could be like missing persons poster, like a missing because it's the apocalypse,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Or I don't know, something else. Just a poster.
Some other past experiment from the doc. He made a sentient otter.
Yeah. I like that.
Okay, I guess I'll just try copy pasta to start. See how that goes.
Always start with a copy pasta, and if it doesn't work, then too bad.
Yeah. So how are we gonna do that? We're gonna go here. We're gonna open another instance of the Godots. Brainwashed by the doc. We're gonna open the other one. Now I highly doubt this will work, but I've never done this before. So might as well try.
Where have you gone? Mark is doing the math to jump up at my
Burn.
lap.
Oh.
You can do it. It's safe. Yes, go on. Yeah, good girl. See, you did it. You jumped successfully.
Where'd I even put that? Splash screen. Okay. There's no way this is gonna work. If I just copy that.
Maka says hi.
Hmm.
Purring very loudly, but I doubt. The real CEO. Yeah, she came to do a little supervision. She's back from her nap time.
Looking at the beards out the window.
Oh, there she goes, eating the mic.
So if I just Control V. Yeah, I didn't think that would work.
Wanna sit there? You can sit there.
Huh. There has to be a way, though. There has to be a way to do this. We go over here. Godot import theme
No, don't eat my
from
cashews.
another project. She's doing QA.
Oh, she's done checking up on me. She's gonna check up on you now. There she goes. Oh, she's gone to the other hammock.
Copy the scene file together with the texture project repository. Godot will do a full import.
Better stress. Maka's very strict. Yeah. Yeah.
Must have seen something she didn't like because she's taking it out on the scratch pole.
Oh. I love that you can see the little white tip of her tail. Just like flicking.
So, okay, so Google is telling me that I can go on let's see.
That won't be erased soon then. No, I don't think so.
So, scenes UI splash screen. I'm just gonna copy it and then I'm gonna paste it.
Whoa.
I'm just gonna paste it on the
He's
other one.
just gonna paste it? Whoa. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Splash screen, paste. Okay, I pasted. There it is. Okay. Cool. But we need some more. Because we need the sprites for it. Oh.
Oh, she wants to go outside.
I need to find the sprites that go alongside it because if I open it here, yeah. Yes. Okay. Hold.
Holding.
Finding some spritings. Right.
She has to make a phone call after that inspection. It's terrible. Oh no. He is outside munching on some grass.
Here we go. Don't know what that means, so I will just. Do that. And pray. Okay. Fix dependencies. Interesting. Never done this before. Apparently it's gonna go great. I already forgot what I was doing. This. Oh, cool. Flash screen, GD. Boom.
Boom.
Run. Boom.
Boom.
Light circle. Yeah, we don't have that, do we? Maybe I do. Sprites. Do. Huge.
Va-va-boom.
Me running. Little Salenga running. Okay. Open anyway. Okay. So what happens if I play? just kind of slide on through. The font is missing. Good point.
Ooh. Wait, did it just put the font that we have for the text?
Yeah, because we don't have the pixel art font in here.
But do we want the pixel art font?
I think we may as well just leave it the same.
Okay.
If we want to make a new HD one, we can. But I think this is fine.
For sure.
Okay. So why are these guys not running? Why are you not running? Animated sprite. It's set to autoplay.
It just doesn't want to behave.
Okay. We got running.
Oh yeah?
But okay. But then it's now the resolution is way smaller.
Yes.
How
fix? Then you just tell it to be good.
How do I fix? Do I just like scale it up?
Mobile friendly.
What if I can try this?
Uh-oh.
Hold. Sure, this is gonna be fine.
That. Are you sure about that?
So if we do that, we just play it. Crashes.
Yeah.
Start scene does not exist. Right. Because you need to go to, what did I call it? Menu?
I don't know.
What did I call the other scene? Start screen? It did 404. That's basically it. Yeah, true. Start screen. Why do you do that? Okay. Try that again.
And again. And again.
What? That did the thing. I think that did the thing. Sometimes when the I'm running the project, but it errored, and I make a change in the code. When I then rerun the game, the changes I made in the code are reset, like they were just temporary. And I can see that being a feature, but I haven't figured out exactly when or why that happens. Maybe it's not a feature at all. It's just a bug. Okay, we're getting there.
Yeah. Hey, we're running.
We're getting there. Maka's back. Yes.
Is back. Oh, she's in her spot.
So now a problem is that these are blurry. These are blurry because of that thing. This. Yes. Got to filter by nearest because pixel art being rendered in HD. There we go. There we go. Getting there.
Nice.
Good stuff. Logo also needs that.
That's cute.
Sweet.
Hey, he did it.
Let's grab the font. Which is what?
I don't know.
Monogram?
It's almost as if I should keep a list of these things
Yeah, maybe.
somewhere.
Let's go here and let's go. Okay, let's go to here. Nerdy nerds. Let's go fonts.
Font.
Monogram. And then same with the Made with Godot. Fonts. Monogram. Okay.
Why is it like that? See.
Why is it blurry?
Do you have to do the same thing that you did to the sprites?
Maybe. I'm going into uncharted territory here.
Oh god.
I don't know what I'm doing.
My goodness.
That looks pretty spicy.
Oh no.
Holy acorn.
What's up?
Hello. Hello.
We are currently trying to fix some crunchy text.
Yes. We're adding a little splash screen for our game, but we're now putting pixel art into our HD game. So we're trying to navigate through that.
Naturally, we struggle.
What if I just make it bigger?
Yeah.
Bigger is better, right? What?
What?
$24? No, that's too big. 22. Okay. How about this? You know, a little spice, a little crunch. Never hurt nobody.
It's still a little crunchy. it's still a little
Not
crunchy.
so bad. How's it going, Holy Acorn? Hope you're doing well.
Yeah, hope you're having a good day.
Welcome to the weekend.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to unblur the blur. Maka, stop licking the bed, please. Maka is grooming her bed.
I think mostly because like her tongue gets stuck on it, and then she's trying to get it unstuck, but then she grabs more fluff, and then it's more stuck.
She loves it.
She's just licking it.
She loves it. Her dog does that, yeah. I guess they just have the need to groom something.
I
But
guess. No.
sick the entire week. Oh no. Finally breathe. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, you really take for granted, like when you're not sick, like how nice it is to be able to just like breathe. You know.
Yeah, you said your office is looking kind of.
Yeah, my office.
Riddled.
There's a cold going around. I'm just trying to stay. Was it 2 meters away from everyone? Like,
Can't wait for the usual to happen, which is you go to the office, come back, you're absolutely fine, but you bring the disease to me. That's the classic Celine move.
But no, you'll be fine. You're right.
I don't know. I don't know what to do with these. I'm gonna be honest here.
Good job. It's because my immune system is strong, you know. I can take it.
I'm just gonna do something super crazy.
Oh no.
You ready?
No, I'm not ready.
I'm gonna duplicate the font size.
Oh god.
And then I'm gonna scale the font down by 50%.
All planned out so she can take care of you. See what you're doing.
Yeah.
No, but it's not. I'm not. It's not my fault people go to work sick. I would stay home if I'm sick.
Listen, I think this kind of worked. I'm just saying.
Oh, did your hack work?
Like, is what I'm doing correct? No. Does it work? Maybe.
Maybe. Code Monk has seen that trick before somewhere.
Ah. Hey, it looks better.
It you know what? I can't fault you. It does look better.
Sometimes you just gotta
Believe.
do what comes to your head, because how are you gonna fix it when you don't know how to fix it? You know?
You know? True.
So if we add another one.
Oh god.
More. Wait, what am I multiplying by now? Just 25%? 0.25? I went too far. Did I go too far? So I'm 3 times. Oh god, math.
Has science gone too far?
Well, it looks too small. I would think 25 is correct. But now it looks too small.
0.025?
No.
I don't know math.
I don't know. We're in uncharted territory here. Screw math. We're getting it done.
Did you do it?
I'm times 3.
0.15 then?
Oh, then okay, cool.
Oh. Yeah, ignore
Yeah,
me.
we can just do 3. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, fine. Let's do 3. Why not? Oh, there's a cap. only 3 points are allowed. So now it's no longer my fault. It's Godot's. Bro.
Quick maths.
Okay, so how does that look? Perfection. It'll do.
Oh god.
It'll do.
Like you say, if it works, it works.
Right? But then it just, the menu just appears. It's fine. Can you skip it? I think I made it so if you click anything, yeah. Sweet. You just click any key and it will skip the whole thing. Good.
Yeah.
So now, splash screen scene, we're going to set as main scene. So when you play the video game, that's where you start.
Are you gonna put music on this one?
It'll just play the game music. It'll start immediately.
Gotcha.
And there it is.
Hooray!
What about the rest of the threes? Yeah, you know, as long as you're there to remember them, Tempted.
They're there in spirit. Very nice. Ship it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Have a meow. No. Yeah. Yeah. I think there's definitely some like we could do that.
Yeah,
we could
yeah.
definitely spruce that up. Yeah.
Basil Shifty, hello. Welcome on in. Who made the graphics?
The graphics. I did. I am the artiste. I am artiste. I make art. I am now making art.
Making some viruses.
I am now making a little comic for the intro of the game to kind of drop some lore on the unsuspecting gamer.
Yeah.
I just want to say, wow, oh, thank you. Thanks.
Nice.
Perfect.
I know it looks really good. I agree with you that Selena's awesome. But please remember that is 4-star art at most.
Stop.
True?
No, don't say that.
Hey, that's what the judges said.
The judges gave me 4 stars. Oh, it's gonna haunt me for the rest of my life.
That's looking really good though.
Yeah, but yeah, I've drawn all the sprites for the game, all the sort of like splash art, all the characters, all little bits and pieces. Yeah, it's been a blast. I rate 100 out of 100.
Nice.
Appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Rhubarb!
Hey,
hello,
Rhubarb.
He's making pizza.
Yeah, he's just. Hey.
That pepperoni.
I'm so good. Yeah, he's just, making, what is it? Start the sourdough. Starter.
He doesn't do too good with the chili oil, so he's just putting a little droplet.
Yeah, the spice he can't do much. He's just a little drop of spice. Corona free pizza.
Yeah. I have a thought.
Oh God. What is your thought?
Obviously, you're working with a white base for all of these.
Uh-huh.
If the background was black, how bad would it mess you up?
Like the entire background?
Yeah, so
or
like the
borders?
cards appearing from a black base.
You mean this?
Yeah, obviously they don't have the background. But outside of that, if you colored in all the background, you think it would be fine? Maybe.
Won't know until we see it.
Sure.
I think we try it once I'm done, and then if it looks good, we ship it.
Yeah.
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 Because I mean, I could just do the outsides of the panels. And leave the inside of the panels white. We just gotta try it.
Yeah, we'll test it out.
We gotta test it.
I'm just afraid of like full on flash banging the player.
Yeah, but like, okay, let's go back to the other one. I could always just do, like a cheeky. What's the color in our game palette? Like,
It was like the
oops. I did an oopsie. Do we want to multiply?
I guess we could also try that comic book texture.
Like I could add like a sort of.
Ooh.
Yeah, that was much. It's because multiply is a bit too much.
Color each grid when the story is being told. That's an interesting idea. Where for our first iteration, we're not doing full coloring, just because that'll take quite a while. But that is a very cool idea. I like that.
Where's normal? I've lost normal.
What's happening?
I don't know. I was just trying stuff, and it's not doing what I thought I wanted to. It's not happening.
Yeah.
But
yeah, those adjustments we can make after the fact, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
I was doing Petri dish. Good to know pizza still exists after the apocalypse. Does that mean that Doc is Italian?
How'd your vacation go? It was fantastic. Thank you.
Yeah, it was good. We had a great time. Thanks.
It was a little cold.
Yeah.
Colder than we expected anyway, but we still had a nice time.
Yeah. Mamma Mia would explain the mustache.
Yeah.
Oh, you're putting
True.
all the pieces
This is
together.
very true. Very true. All right, I'm aborting any type of voice acting then.
It took me a second. It's like, you don't want to do an Italian accent.
All right. Splash screen has splashed.
Has made a splash on the big screen.
How you doing, Fubar? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a nice week.
I'm 1/4 Italian. I mean, I'm technically a part Italian, I guess.
Everyone says everyone's Italian.
Hey, my last name's kind of Italian.
That's true. That's true.
My last name is Italian. So, you know. Better respect the Italian ways.
Doing well. Weather is getting colder again. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like winter doesn't want to quite give up its grasp.
Yeah, when we were there, it was coastal, right? It's very cold wind. It also rained a fair bit. Yeah.
But sun.
Okay. So let me tick off Flash.
Yay! Goals being achieved.
We got limit the same sound from playing too much. An interesting one right there.
Yeah, I guess when you get to like end game and there's like a cacophony of yippee!
Yeah, it gets real nutty.
It can be a bit much. Praise the sun. Most of the UK is the coast. Yeah, I mean it is an island, right? So
So basically I have this. This isn't even gonna work. Oh no.
oh.
It's a bigger change than I realized actually.
So is every general landmass on Earth is an island technically floating in the ocean.
Now we're getting deep here.
No. Oh, Fubar craving some pizza now. You know, I was thinking about pizza earlier.
We could do some pizza tonight.
Maybe tonight's dinner shall be pizza.
Yeah.
Sorted.
Oh, we're getting some food today as well,
Oh,
right?
we are.
Gusto, not sponsored yet.
Sponsored. Yeah.
So yeah, I was actually under the impression that I'd be able to use just my global audio manager to limit the sounds. The problem is I have a mix of sounds going through the audio manager, and then some are just played on their own players, like on the zombies and stuff. They have their own audio players. So to limit those would have to be like individual implementations,
That sounds like a
which
pain
is
in the butt.
not fun. So I would either have to
No, no.
move everything to the audio manager, which I think is the right way to go, or it'd just be messy. So yeah, that is a bigger change that I did not foresee.
He did an oopsie.
Well, it's not so bad because we also know the kinds of sounds we're trying to limit here. So it's not like I need to change them all right now, just the ones that we're trying to sort out. So it's not so bad. So let's start with that. So, okay, problematic sounds. We have generally zombie sounds. When there's too many zombies, it gets overwhelming.
Yeah.
So the grunts, the attacks, when they get infected, those are probably the main culprits. The yippies also, but those are kind of feel-good sounds. And when you hear a lot, I feel like that's some good feels-inducing thing, you know?
Good vibes?
Yeah. Because it's telling you you did well, right?
Yeah.
Just request the sound to be played, and in the audio manager, I have a note that you attach. Yes. Yeah, so in the audio manager, it's creating audio players and adding them to the tree, and then they auto clean themselves when the sound ends. I have a max players. Oh, that's interesting. So with this setting alone, things are going to be interesting.
I think when the zombies get cured, the pop sound, it's another one.
Yeah, it's just it
a
happens a lot. Yeah. Because it's not only
a little overwhelming.
Yeah, it's when the zombies get cured and when the zombies get spread the cure too. So, I mean, they're slightly different, but the pops are still there. But yeah, there's just too many.
But the pop is so satisfying.
It's true. We still keep the cap high, I think, just not infinite.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, let's start with the zombs. So, if you open up a zombie. No. Enemy. Pop, 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 pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
So yeah, you see here they have 4 audio players.
Exactly.
Doing things and stuff. Once when the cure is spread to them, one is just zombie grunts. One is when they attack, and one is when they spawn from a human being infected. That one can be really annoying too, I think, because it's a very strong sound. So in terms of replacing these, I think it's actually relatively easy. So let's start from the first one. Spread audio player. Just have a spread play. Yeah. That's just the pop. Okay. So we just need to change that. We go. There's no reason for me to make it an export variable, really. like until I need it to modify it in the editor, then why would I? I think I just go spread
Starting a whole train here.
audio. Pop, pop, pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
It's such a like dopamine inducing sound. Any game that has it is better for it. True.
Oh, imagine when we can make emotes, I can make a little maca pop.
Yeah, that'd be so
Make a
cool.
little
Yeah,
maca pop.
that'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Just preload pop. Pop.
Maca pop. I think that would be very cute.
It would be very cute.
So cute.
Pop wav.
Oh, wow. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
So then we no longer need that. And instead we would do audio player dot play at have position audio stream, which is spread audio. Then we have pitch scale, which we randomize.
Aren't you going to request the sound from the audio manager?
Bus effects. Yep, that's what I'm doing right now. Should pause. Should pause. What is should pause? I forget. Right. I guess. No, it doesn't need to. That's fine. Okay. So with that alone, we've replaced the inline, not the inline, the audio player itself, and use the audio manager. If we stab a zombie here, we should still hear the pop. Well, about that.
Oh my god, not again.
What? Welcome to programming. This is it. This is what we do. Did I just a float? Oh. Okay, yeah, I messed something up. We just go default volume. There we go.
You sure?
There we go. Cool. So that's cool. We can remove that. And here we just go boom. So that's fine. Why passing the audio as parameter? How does it know what to play? I need to tell it what to play, right? I've seen other iteration. Use resource preloader to manage the sounds on the manager. Resource preloader. This node is used to preload sub-resources inside a scene, so when the scene is loaded, all the resources are ready to use and can be retrieved from the preloader. I told you before. Yeah, possibly. I mean, still, I don't necessarily understand the benefit. And then you have to pass around strings, which I don't know how I feel about. Because Godot handles all that as well. It only loads a resource once into memory, so I think it's fine. I guess for now we could do something crazy just to test out this situation. If I do 4 in range, I don't know, 100. We're going to await to rendef 0 to 0.2 timeout. Looking for a bit. All right, cool, Monk. Thank you so much for stopping by.
All right, yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Catch you later. So here, I'm just going to try and play a bunch of sounds so we can test that our limiting works. So at the moment, this would just like, it's just going to go crazy, supposedly.
Imagine thinking.
Oh my god, look at that poor lady. She's terrified.
She's being chased by a zombie. Of course she's terrified.
All right, 100 pop sounds incoming. That was 1.
I think it's working a little too well.
Oh, I forgot. I forgot to do the thing.
Jesus Christ.
Forgot to actually play them. God damn it. Tsukumo!
Hey, what's up?
Hello. We had a splash screen. Similar to our other game.
Yeah. We do be.
We're now playing with sounds. And what will happen right now is...
That's good. That's some good stuff.
popping. Now that is capped, so I'm actually even going to reduce that more. Let's get this a little crazier even. Okay. Eargasm. So we're now using our audio manager to do this stuff, to actually play them. And this has a max allowed audio player instances. So if I change this to like 2, we should hear the impact of that and only hear a few of those pops. Yeah. Cool. So that's interesting. The problem with this implementation is that if there are 10 pops and
How many pops do I have left? Sorry.
Timmy has 10 pops.
Yeah.
He gives 3 out to his friends. No. If 10 pop sounds are already playing and then a different sound comes in, potentially an important sound like the doc getting hurt, it won't be able to play because those 10 players are already being used up. So in that sense, this implementation is not so good. It would be better to have max players on a per sound basis. So any given sound can only play a certain amount of times, but they can still go over stuff. Have 2 managers. That could work. You could have like important sounds and not so important sounds. True. That would be one way to do it. You could also have a simple flag when you play the sound to say if it's an important one. So you would need the extra manager. Or we could go ham and have actual counts on a per sound basis. But yeah, that's it. That is a great point. But isn't that? I feel like that's like overly simplistic, because even with just say like the pops and zombie attacks, right? I wouldn't say either of those are quote unquote important for player information, but I still wouldn't want the pops to make it so that the zombie sounds never play, you know? So I'm thinking I'm gonna cook up something sus.
Oh no, here we go again.
Yeah. I think it's time for sus.
I think it's time for sauce. No.
I think it's time for over-engineering for the sake of fun.
Got another clippy clips.
More clips. How many plups do I have left? Okay. Bear with me here. Let's over-engineer the shit out of this for no reason. We are going to change this player count. And we're going to say max players per sound equals 10. Okay? Mm-hmm. Now, when a sound starts, max players per sound. And then we're going to have playing sounds, which will be an array of audio streams. And let's add a new function. Well, actually, here we'll replace this with playing sounds. Is this? Okay, maybe this is stupid. YOLO. Player instance dot stream.
When does that ever end well?
But then how do we free that? How do we remove that from the playing sound? We're going to do Playing sounds. They're like a remove. There's a remove at. Clear. No. Erase. What is erase? Value. Removes the first occurrence. Perfect. Yep. For a move, you can reuse existing player. True. Yeah, I could just modify the player instead of instantiating and queue freeing. True. We'll get back to that. So we no longer need this. This would take it out. Okay. It appends and takes it out. Yep. And then we need a function which is can play, which will take an audio stream. And this will return. No. Number playing is going to be playing sounds dot filter return sound equals audio stream dot size return number playing less than max players per sound. So if not can play return. So this way each given sound can only play up to 10 times at once. But every sound has their own count. That way you always have the variety. Even if there's a bunch of pops, there's always still room for the zombie sounds to come through. That's the idea anyway. So if we test out the sound again. Plays. Wonderful. If we change it back to 2, we should be able to see the difference once more of the limit being hit and not so many pops, which is very sad. I'm sorry.
Not so many.
Only a couple pops. But if I then go and get the pure, wait, what's it called? Oh, we can use the attack, I guess. Attack with 3 T's. No, thank you.
That's the attack.
Just attack. That would be nice. I guess not true. Empty? Oh. Right, because we have many attack sounds, right? That's something that we do. Yes. Okay. That's fine. So let's go back to our spread audio. And let's also play... Oh, how do we do this? And just do another one. But this time... we're playing... attack sounds, pick random. So they should both still play. What? Out of bounds, get index 0 at 83. 83? What did I do? 83. Oh, I clicked the wrong button is what I did.
Ooh.
So we hear both pops and attacks. We didn't, but I think that's my bad. Because it was playing all of these and then played all. Yeah, it's dumb. Yep, true.
True.
Okay, instead let's do timeout, connect, do this.
True.
If true. And then this. This. Okay. What? What?
Question mark?
Yeah. Brain processing. What? Not actually sure what's happening.
You've lost me as to what you were doing now.
Let's go. Playing pop. Playing attack. So did it all super fast.
Imperceptibly fast?
Imperceptibly.
Some would say.
Oh, yeah. Right. We're complicating this.
Uh-oh.
How do I test this cleanly? I need to play both. I need to play both things. In parallel to test out that this works. So here I have the pops. Okay, that's fine.
You just re-implement a feature of the audio.
I'm not sure. Which one do you mean? Yep. Yes, I did.
Hey, it's okay.
Mine's better. Mine's better. Because mine has racing stripes on it. So.
You do you.
Yep. Has the underlights, the neons as well. Better suspension. Aileron at the back. So. How do I do... I just do like random function test. And then I add this in there. I call test. And there we go. Maybe this will work. Both sounds playing at the same time.
I'm sure it'll be fun.
Nice. Cool. Okay, so this is actually a good example. So that was with two of the same sound playing at once. We change it to 10, let's say. Okay. Okay. So that highlights how some sounds want to be played more than others. Yep. Yep. Max polyphony. But is this between... Hello? Give me the... Why can I not get the tooltip? Oh. Maximum number of sounds this node can play at the same time. Right. So that wouldn't... Go play again. Won't kill us out until it reaches max. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I need to rework my whole thing. What if instead I was able to tell it how many are how many can play at max. So I can do max playing, and we can equal that the default, and then can play max playing, and then can play max int and then max.
Only needs one player per sound.
Yeah, I would only need one player per sound. Yeah, that is right. That would definitely be a better implementation. Way simpler. I did not know this existed. Function max. Oh, that's right. Let's do max playing. Okay, so if we do that, we set a maximum of 10. You can tell it how many you want as max. So here, when we play the attack, we can say that for this sound in particular, we only want 2 instances. So now the pops should be 10, and the attacks should be 2. Cool. Sounded pretty good to me.
Cool beaners.
Sounded pretty good to me.
Yeah.
Oh, that's looking good. Very nice.
It's the scientist and the other nurse like running out the back with the syringes.
I love that they actually look like the nerds in game.
Yeah.
Temptic says, haven't told you guys, never move app data folder, even if internet says you could do this if done correctly. I had to reinstall Windows after doing that. Oh no.
Oh no.
I couldn't log in anymore. Lost half my programs. Jesus. Includes OBS, so all my scenes are gone. No.
You have to redo all that. Oof.
No way.
So never trust the internet is the lesson.
Dude, that sucks. OBS saves it to app data. That's interesting on itself. I guess why wouldn't it? Damn. And you can't just move it back to where it was? I guess it just doesn't work like that? Breaks the connection or something? That sucks, man.
Yeah, that hurts.
Yes. Not good. Oh, because you couldn't log in. Like to Windows, you mean?
Yeah.
Jeez. Damn. God, there's so many of you here today. Hello.
Yeah. Hi, everyone.
Hope everyone's doing well. We're just chilling, doing some game dev.
Yeah, I'm drawing some peepos running away from zombies. I think I'm just gonna have the one zombie.
Yeah, I think that works. That works just fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to overcrowd it.
Yeah.
I think that conveys the scene enough.
I agree.
Oh.
And then you're gonna show like the cure transition.
Yeah.
Nice.
I might add a syringe on the hand of the nurse, so it's like, oh, okay, maybe they caught up and cured the zombie. He's holding the little thing, but if I put one on the other hand, then
I'd maybe do like the doc's glove. to insinuate it was the doc doing the curing.
Okay, yeah. Do that. Maybe I could just have him like. Oh.
Just like peeking through. Oh. Yes. Yes. I like it.
He's just there.
Biding his time.
Wait.
Yeah.
He's ready. He's always watching.
Luckily, my whole overlay is just one single page. Right, it's just you just have the one your one .NET app, right? Yeah, that sucks, man.
Sounds like a plan.
Silver linings, right?
Yeah.
Because setting all that up again would have sucked. Okay, I think this implementation does the job. Silver lining installment. So now I just need to transfer some of the problematic sounds. Let's do that. So spread sound is just that. Cool. Here we do zombie sounds, pick random pitch, set a maximum of 10. I don't know if that would be too much. Okay. Global position. Sweet. Go. Sweet. Go. Sweet.
Sweet.
Okay. Then we have attack audio. Do that. Pitch scale. Scale. Blah, blah, blah. This is the one where you want to, because it gets real crazy. Yes. Okay. In terms of the players, I may have modified some of the volumes. So attack was at -2. This one was at -10. That one happens a lot. So fill you. Cool. Audio player, attack audio player. Effect. Do that also. Not anything Linux compatible. Right, but you just run with wine. Yeah, I've never actually ever touched a Linux machine. I can certainly understand the pros that people talk about. At the end of the day, I'm just a normie.
He's just a normie.
Just a normie. On their Windows machine. Effect audio is at -5. Cool. I'm very sorry if what I'm doing right now doesn't make any sense, guys. You can look at Celine doing some awesome art instead.
I'm doing some coloring. Little coloring in.
If anyone has any questions about what the hell I'm doing, feel free to ask.
Still thinking about pizza? What's your favorite kind of pizza? I quite like... I call it a margarita.
Controversial topic.
A margarita with extra steps. With
True.
The margarita with rocket, prosciutto, ham, and olives. And some like garlic oil.
I have two favorites. One, I don't know if it has a dedicated name, but it's like mushroom, ham, egg, olives, like that.
Everything pizza or something?
Um,
You don't put broccoli on it and
my
I'll
other
take it.
favorite though is the Hawaiian with pineapple.
Oh,
So
of course. There he goes.
guess I'm canceled. Sue me.
Oh no.
Is that Twitch TOS liking pineapple on your pizza? Am I getting banned?
Are you getting banned?
We just got like 5 people unfollowing.
Yeah.
Code Monk comes back only to protest.
Only to just say pineapple pizza.
Evil
What the
Hollow.
fuck? Damn, cancel.
I knew it.
See you never.
I knew not even the lurkers could not say
listen.
anything.
I agree with you guys. Yeah, that's just disgusting.
How you doing, Evo? I hope you're doing well.
Atrocious.
I'm very sorry for my taste buds. Kill the VOD if you ever want to visit Italy. Funny thing is, I literally just joined to, well, guess I'm canceled. Could have been worse. I mean, some people would disagree that there's no such thing as worse as that.
Oh snap!
My God.
Who was
Jones,
this here?
Grimbeef.
Hey, welcome
Hello.
everyone.
Hope you had a nice stream, my friend. Lion, how's it
Great.
going?
How's that going?
Thank you so much for the raid.
But you got raided just as you were saying that you like pineapple pizza. Everyone from the raid like, bye.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the follow. We were just doing some game dev, but there was a brief intermission to talk about pineapple on pizza. Only nerds allowed. True.
Thanks for the follow.
True.
Oh snap! Yeah, we were.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the raid, Jones.
Yeah, thanks for the
Hope you had a
raid.
wonderful time. For those who don't know, we are 2 nerdy nerds.
We are.
Bernardo,
And a
Celine.
cat.
And Kat. This is Maka. He's napping.
He is our CEO. She's overseeing us.
Yep. Yeah, and you can see Celine doing some art over there.
Yeah, I'm doing a little bit of a comic strip here.
Mm-hmm. Three nerdy nerds, true.
Well, but
Maka doesn't like to admit it though. She's like that.
but Maka's she's not a nerd. She's too cool for us.
Yeah, she's management.
She's
she
just
just
management.
bosses us around.
She's upper management.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, can't be a nerd. Yeah. So here we have our protagonist, the doc, mixing up some substances to create a little bit of a cure, an antidote to cure the zombies and save humanity from the zombie apocalypse.
One could say to reclaim the living.
Reclaims the living. Exactly.
Yeah, why don't we just boot up the game? And
Yeah, let's show everyone
off.
who joined the game.
close this one. Yeah, so this is our little game here. Started off game jam. But yeah. The little roguelike where you're playing the doc and you have this cure which has its own viral property to combat the spread of the zombie virus. So if I stab a zombie here with the cure, you can see that it starts to spread throughout the zombie horde. And they start getting cured, reverted back.
You like the opening
self.
animation? Thanks,
Thank you,
Ryan.
thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, it's really cute.
And then once you bring them to the safe zone, they get very happy. Oh, not quite enough. Oh, there was enough, yeah. So once you rescue enough, you get an upgrade selection, and you can pick between a bunch of different little cards to make you stronger. And that's the game. Have you tried a different progress on the zombies? Radial. Ooh. Oh, that is interesting. Let me note that down.
Yeah, you think that could be cool?
That could be
cool.
Could be cool. Could be cool.
Could be cool.
Radial spread progress.
Wham,
I
bam.
definitely want to see how that looks.
Blam.
I guess because now we have it so that sometimes the zombies require more than a single cure.
Right.
So I guess that could be slices of the radial pie.
Yeah.
It is interesting. That is interesting.
It's definitely a thought.
Yes. I'll definitely experiment with that. Great idea. How was your stream, Jones? How is the game? You added some more enemy nerds you were doing, I think, last time. Some more abilities and such. Poison spit. I should get back to working on my game. I've been busy RL and making my streamer program. Yeah, I haven't stopped buying a bit, Evil. We were kind of out of business for a while. How is your streamer program going? I think last time I saw you were working on the UI. Wild Jam start today? Yeah. Not too sure. Jones got tongue-tied. He probably... I think he was streaming for a while, right? Maybe he just headed out, get some food or something. Can't blame him. We'll appreciate the raid, very much so. At the moment, working out at the saving system. Right. Yeah. Using resources for that. I've only briefly delved into saving systems on our other game, the Cat Cafe game, where we're just using like a save game resource, I believe. It's working okay.
Hopefully it's good enough for what we need it to do, right?
Yeah, I think it'll do us for a good while. Oh, expert dodge.
Yippee! Yippee!
I had lunch an hour ago. Didn't see him having lunch, right?
Yeah, Jones goes hard on that streaming grind. I'm loving seeing the progress on his game, though.
Yippee!
I feel like there's actually a lot of the game that I haven't seen. But yeah. He's working on kind of like an RPG with auto battling mechanics where you can like build out your party of nerds to fight some really cool enemies. Check it out for sure.
Oh, sure.
If I knew how to Twitch, I'd give him a shout out, but I just won't even do that. Beats me.
You don't know.
I'm really bad at this. Immunity? No. Chat? No. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
He's struggling.
Anyway, check him out.
Ba, 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 ba.
Billion Dictionary, super efficient. Yeah. You know, sometimes you gotta learn. You just can only learn from experience, you know? And, you know, a maze of dictionaries will get you something playable, but there'll just become a time where you can't handle it anymore. But I think you're on the right track finding out for yourself where the bottleneck is, because if not, you know, just doing something for no reason just because people tell you to, I don't think is going to yield the best results. So I wouldn't worry about it. Next project, though, Jones, we're gonna set you up. Even if I get on a Discord call with you, we're gonna set you up with some cool stuff, custom resources, enums, you name it. It's gonna be sick. Did you ever add the hyena back in, Jones? Did you? I think last time you were doing the art. I think I got an idea to saving and loading. The problem is connecting it to only specific dialog box images. Connecting it to dialog box images. Not sure I understand what you mean. If you want a good video just to like go over the options of saving stuff and reading, I highly recommend Godot, the YouTube channel. They have a really cool video on it, and they go through a bunch of different options and like the pros and cons of each. Really good video. I can find it for you real quick. Great channel, good in ears, really good.
Cool. Nightbot doing its thing again.
Oh, get absolutely wrecked. Sniped by Nightbot. Alright, I got it. Oh, look at that. Amazing.
Oh, that's awesome.
Nice.
Wow. That's very well done.
Yeah, that looks great. I don't think you've seen it yet, Celine. Jones, he draws
Yeah.
all the characters and the enemies and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's this very unique style. I don't know how far he's gonna take it beyond that, but I think even where it is now, it's a very interesting style. I really like it.
Oh, that's sick. Yes.
Yeah, he was working on like a chimera, I think it was, like a lion, goat,
I had
snake.
a little peek at that.
Yeah, that looks sick. Thank you for the video. No worries. It's really good. I recommend all the videos in those channels for like. I don't recommend that you just go and watch all of them. You can. They're great. But I love it as like a reference YouTube channel where like, oh, I need to do this thing for my game. I don't know exactly where to start. the first thing I do is I go to that channel and see if they have a video on it. Because if they do, I know for a fact that by the end of it, I'm gonna understand all the options.
Right.
So, highly recommend. Lion Master says, I used to use dictionaries, but I decided to use resources for my current game since resources are easier to save and load. Yep. Less logic. Yep. Didn't you worry about checking if they have variables you need or if variable is missing? Yeah. 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 Our first projects in Game Maker and stuff, I used dictionaries, and it was, it became way too complicated real fast, especially in the type of game that we were building. So when I moved to Godot, I think it was a YouTube video as well. The person was talking about custom resources, and I piqued my interest immediately, you know? Yeah, no typos, no random strings. That can really bite you in the ass sometimes. Yeah. What was it? Fubar was asking... Yeah, something. Have you have an endless mode yet? Yes, we do have an endless mode.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because you can just keep going, right? Or...
Yeah, so basically what I did was around 15 minutes it goes into endless mode seamlessly, and even after you win rescue 100 nerds, you can choose to keep going. And then past 15 minutes, every 2 minutes the zombies get upgraded and some resources have a chance to spawn. But yeah, you can go on forever. In terms of it getting harder forever, I think I need to add more zombie cards, but 2, maybe some stackable zombie cards, so that even if you pick all the existing zombie upgrades, they're still like, you know, like every 2 minutes they can get a little faster or a little stronger or whatever. I think that would make the endless more fun.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Another cool thing with resources is the fact that they're typed and you can make your own custom ones. It means that it's super fun and easy to make new content within the editor. So like in this game, we have the items, right? And there's an item custom resource. But to make a new item, you know, I just create a new item, give it a name, and then I have this action resource as well that like changes the stats or the health or whatever. And it's so fast to iterate and create new items or modify existing items, you know, test out balancing. You can just do it super quick. With the dictionaries, it's a little harder to parse that and make quick changes. Yeah.
What do you think?
Look at that zombie.
Oh. No.
A doc in the back just going, Soon.
Soon.
Still haven't managed to take my mind off pizza. We're definitely having pizza tonight.
Yeah.
It is settled. The infect.
Gonna go play.
Final Fantasy,
Yeah.
nice. Enjoy, my friend. Catch you next time.
Have some fun. I had pizza for lunch. Then I'm gonna have a cold dinner today. So I've just been snacking on some cashews. So I could do with a pizza later.
So I guess the real question is, Lion Master, what toppings were on your pizza?
Yeah. Salted cashews. Very good.
None. Oh, just like a margarita. Fair enough. Good choice. Good choice.
With salt? Yeah, I mean the bag said salted cashews. Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah, they're just salted in.
Yeah. Pretty yum.
If I had the choice, one with lots of meat. Mm-hmm. Yep, yep. Spicy. Like the, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but like the Induja sausage. How do you pronounce that? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm not gonna.
Like spicy sausage. I don't do good with spice, but man, that thing tastes really good.
Is yummy.
Okay, so that's zombie audio donezo. We infect sounds with the thing. Fantastic. So let's purge the infect audio player from the scene. There it is. This iteration is working for now in terms of the sound limiting. The next improvement will be what Fubar suggested, which is to not instantiate and queue free players as sounds are needed. You can just have your set of players, where a single player can handle all the multiple sounds for any given sound. And then if you need to change, you can just update existing instances, which should be way more performant. Yeah. Hey, can I post a link to my most recent devlog for my game, even though Automod will snipe it from a mile away? Yeah, sure. I think there's a way to like temporarily grant someone permissions, but you just post it and then I'll repost it when Nightbot takes it away.
You down.
Feel free. Unless it's not safe for work game. In that case, maybe don't post it. It's on itch, so I think we're good. Who knows?
Who knows?
Yeah, I'll just repost it. There you go. Terrain improvements. Endangered space.
Ooh.
Look at that. 3D.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Okay. You can leave your ship. Huge.
Those some big plans.
That's awesome. Meaningful choices. Survival simulation. What are we looking at here, Lion Master? Is it like like No Man's Sky? Something like that? It is inspired by that. Sweet. That's awesome. Very ambitious. I love it. Not quite playable yet. Give it a follow. I can give it a try when you post it. Good stuff.
Yeah, good stuff.
The ship flight system is better in my game, more responsive. Well, yeah. The good thing. That, yeah. If it wasn't better than that, then you have some issues. There's such a huge thing with that game. I do love that game. I spent countless hours playing it, but the ship movement is such a letdown. So janky.
Janky.
I mean, the whole game is kind of janky on PC, I feel like. But yes, it is a fantastic game. Can't wait for their next one. Can't remember the name. Basically like No Man's Sky, but like fantasy or medieval or whatever you want to call it. Very excited. I hope they don't overhype it into the ground again. Light no fire, exactly. That's the one. Oh, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be so fun. You know it.
You know it.
Fully expecting it to be completely broken at launch, but oh well.
You can dream.
One can dream. Okay, so with this done, cleaned it up. Let me commit before or changes. Yeah. Limit sounds. Max players per sound. Moved enemy sounds to audio manager. I'm actually quite excited to try out Enshrouded as well.
Yeah.
Sometime. It appears that the building side of it is
It's really fun.
customizable and cool. I think you'd really like that part.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it'd be a fun little game to try.
Yeah. Just so many games.
So many games.
So many things to do. Not enough time. Okay, so now we just need a quick change on the humans to also use the manager, because they also have an annoying sound that they do.
That they do be doing?
That they do be do.
Do be do be do.
And I see the comic with the parts that are already complete, says Tsukumo.
Yeah. So this is what I've been doing today, what I'm up to right now, which is the second page. Let me go. And then yeah, that's the first full page finished. Without the text. I think I'll add the text later in the computer.
Yeah, I think the text we can do in engine.
Or yeah, in engine.
Yeah.
You can do in engine as well. But yeah, kind of get a bit of a zoom in on our main character there. He's just looking out, thinking. Then you see a little accident happens. and the consequences of said little accident. Yeah, so that's that one page, and then from that, kind of jump to seeing him cooking up little cure situation there. You know, he applies it to the zombie cells, and then they turn into, he sees that it succeeds and good cells, and then he's kind of like peeking out at the zombie chasing his staff. The panel on the bottom right was crazy. Oh yeah, like this that was insane. That took a long took a long time to do that. We got a lot happening, you know. Little car crash, houses on fire, everything's gone. Yeah, everything's kind of
Looks great.
destroyed.
I love
It's
it.
like, what have I done? What is what has happened? That looks like how it works. Yeah, it took forever to do that last panel. My goodness. Yeah, a lot. And it was a lot, and it was really hard because I'm gonna be completely honest and transparent. I'm not a background drawer, illustrator by any means. I just like to draw people and things like that. Not so drawing a background is like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? But yeah, good. Dr. Ferret. Yep, Dr. J Ferret. No one knows what the J stands for. There's much speculation, but he keeps that a secret.
A background intern. I'll chat GBT to do it. Mid journey.
Yeah, I mean, hey, it's good practice.
It looks fantastic.
Gotta get out of that comfort zone.
You nailed it.
Perhaps inspired by the Yeah.
Yeah, he can be a bit of a nuisance.
But yeah, once I'm done, I think I'll post the finished pages up on the Discord.
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. Yeah.
Just as illustrations.
We could totally print those out as well. Chuck them on the art wall.
Chuck them on the art wall. Yeah.
I think that'd be cool.
That'd be cool. Once they're done, I think I'd like to see it together once finished.
Yes.
Yeah.
Audio.
You just wait, spin off for a TV show in a couple of years. Hey, you know, never say never.
Yes. Wands.
Would you like to play the doctor?
That is quite the question.
Who would be your joy? I was thinking Jack Black too. I think he's got that like craziness, like funny. Yeah. I would totally. I'd sign that off.
Yeah. That would fit perfectly.
Yeah, I think he'd fit the role, the mad scientist role, very well. Him against the world, the zombie world. Oh yeah, I see it all in my head. It'd be so funny. You know what? I'm gonna skip to the other panel because I can. Come back.
What?
Gonna leave that panel where it is, and then I'm gonna skip to another one.
Bit of a break. That's all good.
Just because I can.
Every time he explains what the J stands for, a different sound plays in the background. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gets interrupted or
like a horn, or like the alarm for the zombies
Yeah.
happens, or someone just screams yippee. Yeah, totes. Oh, sure. Focuses on his face before the interruption. Yeah. We gotta get those real close zoom ins, like right on his face as well.
I also would not be opposed to a Jack Black musical number.
A musical?
Just halfway through, he just bursts into song. I'd be down for that.
I'd be down for that. I think that would just add to the charm, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Tenacious D appearing somewhere. We gotta pitch it to him.
Thank you.
Then at the very end of the movie, at the end of the credits, it says the meaning of the J in the credits, only for it to not show, and instead say, "Whoops, we ran out of budget for the credits." Or like it's about to say, and then it cuts to like an after credit scene of like just some random thing. Oop, spliced.
It's just redacted.
Yeah, just redacted.
Okay. So that replaces the human spawn sound. That can be limited also. Cool. I need that. Delete that. Oral is fine. Rescue audio. Yes, we should do the rescue.
I see 3Q4.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Welcome back. We're doing great.
Yeah,
doing great today.
Having a good time today. It's a good day.
How are you doing, my friend? We are working on the comic, the intro comic still. And I am currently doing some weird stuff with sounds. Make sure that not too many of them play at once. Yeah.
And we're speculating about Jack Black playing the Doc in a movie adaptation.
Yes. We're daydreaming a little bit.
Yeah. Like when a teacher about to say something at school and the alarm goes off and says home time. Yeah.
Could be better with pizza. I'm actually getting kind of hungry right now.
Yeah. And we're also all just salivating at the thought of pizza throughout the day. Yeah. Remember, kids, the meaning of life is beep, beep. Okay. Home time. Pizza.
I mean, I know what I'm putting on my pizza.
No, stop.
But I'll keep it to myself, I guess.
Leave the pizza integrity intact.
Let's replace the rescue audio.
Pizza with extra brains.
We're gonna do random rescue sound.
Not sure that'll be very good for the stomach.
One thing that I like about the art style that we did in the zombies, it's like even if you couldn't cure them, they kind of look like they could be befriended, you know? you could maybe convince them to be good. Our little zombs. They don't look that bad. They don't look that bad, you know?
Have I made them too cute?
No. They're good. They're good cute. Maybe it's a strategy, you know? Like the virus has evolved to make them look like, you know, if you had a good enough argument, maybe they wouldn't eat you.
Maybe they would.
You know? But then they do anyway. 3 raycasts. Well, actually right now I'm only using 2, but don't tell anyone. But yes, we've added we've added a singular brain cell to
just the one.
To the humans, which is technically an infinite gain because they had 0 before. That's a bug. I'm not going to talk about it. So the humans with their extra brain cell can now go around obstacles.
They're a little bit self-aware now.
They can go around.
Don't tell anyone. But
most simple things. Ever heard of shape casts? I have not. What is that? Yeah. So it's not like completely foolproof. Like I said, singular brain cell, but they can navigate for the most part. They don't get stuck as easy, which is great. Save processing power with a shape cast instead of multiple recasts. Right.
Maybe, but also they remind me of all those comics I watched and loved these years. Not gonna lie, like they remind me to some degree of a few comic shows and also some games, which is great. You should make connections to other stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah.
I love it.
I think they're so cute.
I remember experimenting with pathfinding system that used A-star. I've not ventured with pathfinding yet. I can only assume the need will arise pretty soon. Very common. But yeah, we haven't worked on a game that required pathfinding yet. I mean, arguably
we did.
Arguably, this one could use it, but haven't looked into it yet. Yeah, this one it very basic. Yeah. Don't get it confused. They will get stuck, just not nearly as often.
Yeah, like you said, it's just the one brain cell.
Okay, rescue audio done. So we can take out the player. Take out this player. Boom. There we go. Fantastic. Let's be good game devs and test it. Ugh. Fine, I'll test it.
Zombies have 1 IQ, humans usually have 60 to 80, and I have 2. Same. And still no test map yet?
No test map? No. I have one just for like massive zombie numbers testing. But yeah, nothing else outside of that. For a developer needs. Yeah. Yeah, I'd really like to... A map would be cool. But in addition, I definitely want to make like a nice bit of debug tools. You know, like some UI top left or something where I can spawn zombies or spawn a syringe or make myself invulnerable. Like all of that would be really sweet. Looking forward to that. Especially as the game progresses. In feature variety, definitely need a way to get to game states nice and quick, you know. I have a great video regarding pathfinding and performance. It's about Rust, but they have a thingy with pathfinding. They had to stop using A-star. Here's second search. Yeah, I mean, who was talking about it before? Or Landmaster was saying A-star. Yeah, drop it in if you know where you can find it, for sure. Simple wind shader, wind sway shader for the trees. That would be cool. I like that idea.
Yeah, that would be nice. They're very just static right now. I mean, you still have to add all the grass, all the shrubs, all the little details. There's still no makuku in there.
No.
Poor makuku.
I was referring to the search history. That joke actually went over my head as well. You're not alone there. I see. Oh yeah, I forgot. Another task is the sound balancing. So that like that alarm and stuff isn't super loud. Both of these actually are kind of loud, right?
I need some juice.
Oh. Oh, that hangry upgrade. Much damage. Okay, that worked. Fantastic. Boom. Done. Great. Moved human sounds to audio menager.
Menager.
Boom.
Nice. Good job.
Okay, those were the problematic sounds, so that's good. That is good. That is good. That is good. So let's take that. Get commit pizza. Ugh, making me so hungry. Oh no.
Yeah. There's no debate about dinner.
Nope. Okay. Cool. Fix that too. Cool. Cool, cool, cool.
Cool, cool, cool.
I always talk of pizza. I don't know if I can do more coding on an empty stomach. Yeah. How are you guys doing? Are you guys working on anything? Is there anything I could maybe play test for you guys? Hopefully something that requires less brain power than coding. Any fun projects you'd like feedback on? Ready in 6 years? I'll be here. I shall be here.
They tell you to have a snack. Do you want some of your things?
No, I want to save myself for the pizza.
Okay.
Jackal, what's up?
Hey.
You should juice up your coding fingers and do the Godot Wild Jam. Theme is parasites.
Oh.
Ooh. Is that an itch? Is that the monthly Godot Jam? The Wild Jam. Wait, that's not it, is it? Am I the only one that has a hard time navigating this interface? Are these ordered? Wild jam. Oh, there it is. It is.
Why am I full screened?
Oh, sorry, Jackal. Why are you full screen? Because you're doing some cool stuff. Theme Parasite. Oh yeah, and they do wild cards. I love this. I love the game jams that do this. There's like extra little optional challenges if you want to take them. Gridlock, Rochambeau, Silliness, Switch. Oh right, this is where the whole googly eyes thing.
Oh, that's really funny.
Was it Kenny made some googly eyes assets?
Yeah.
And all the game engines changed their Twitter profile to have googly eyes. It was pretty funny. Insects. I don't know about insects being regular food in the US, but in the EU it is now. I once had my sister went to Thailand, and she brought back like basically like deep fried grasshoppers. They were okay. It was just a salty snack. They were okay. Very crispy. They just tasted of salt and fried. Nothing is ordered in coding. It was probably ordered. Would be working on an indie game. It'd be a game dev organization trying to kidnap you and force you to work for them. Even Xbox did it? Really? That's cool. They just jump into your mouth.
Oh no, I don't want to think about that.
That would be a cool bonus for sure. Rochambeau. What beats one is beaten by the other. Interesting. Yeah. I think we're not gonna do this one. We did really enjoy the game jam experience. But we were like, we just had it in our like 2024 bingo card that we were doing a game jam. We did it, but we thought it was gonna be like a weekend, a week maybe. It turned into like a 2-month long endeavor that we ended up on, that we're still on.
That we're still on.
So we gotta go back, finish a goddamn game, and publish it, and then we can do some game jams again.
Yeah. Because we're just gonna keep getting sidetracked and never finish anything.
Yeah, we very much have it as a goal to actually finish and publish a game on Steam, maybe other platforms as well. So, yeah, we need to go do that. You could totally take part in this jam. Just reverse the game objective of Dr. J. Ferret reclaims the living. You're the zombs now. That's the point of game jams, is to let you prototype under pressure. Then if the game is good, you continue. Yeah, that's what happened to us. We fell in love with the doc here. And we just kept going.
But we're just afraid it's going to keep happening, and then we're just going to end
Yeah.
up with tons of little things.
Yeah. Yeah, we've now added this to the list of projects that we want to finish. So we have two ongoing projects we want to finish, and
I mean, no lack of ideas for other projects.
yeah,
as well.
we have plenty of other games we want to work on. But also, we already have an itty bitty graveyard of past projects that we didn't like finish, like take them to where we wanted them to be. So I know that that's part of the experience, but we're trying to break away from that. You know, we're adjusting, reducing scopes and such. Kinda trying. I did say trying.
The key word is trying here, right? Exactly.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the trees are not in the tile set. No. They're just plopped in manually. Yeah, it'd be pretty straightforward to add the sway. I really like that. You can use a scene as a tile. Interesting. I also need to change these trees to only be sprites and not have collision stuff. So many things, so many things. Yep.
I mean, if you want to do stuff without having to think about it, you could put the makuku in there finally.
Okay. I do that. Where should I put her? You kind of want to hide her?
We said she'd be outside the
Outside.
perimeter.
Maybe just next to the house?
Yeah.
Hmm. Maybe I'll just add a sprite.
Oh, there's gonna be changes for tile sets. You also waiting for 4.3?
I'm waiting for single-threaded web exports. That's what I want. That's what I want. Because that's going to be cool. What? Why? Tell me more. Actually, I don't know what you're responding to. If you mean the tile sets or the web export. I think it was Fubar that mentioned. Oh, why single-threaded? Yeah. Yeah, so just to make the web exports more compatible with different OSs and browsers and such. And also remove the necessity for the shared buffer array thing that like itch.io lets you do, but no other places lets you do that. So like Game Jolt, Crazy Games, things like that can't handle Godot 4 because they don't have that option. So yeah, it'd just be cool. It would be cool to be able to put our games on all the places, right?
In all the things.
In all the things and stuffs. Here's the makuku in a box.
Oh my god, I forgot how cute that was.
Wait, where'd she go?
She's elusive.
My god, come back. Oh my god, she's gigantic. My bad. Should I just hide her like here?
Yeah,
Wait, why is she...
behind the fence as well.
Where the hell is the fence?
I don't know. Did you name it? Click on it.
The fence... is on the tile map. So I need to put it behind that.
Hey, Thornity, what's up?
Ornity,
Came in
hey.
to say, keep going. I'm rooting for you too. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks for
much.
stopping by there.
Hey, I'm still rooting for you to get back to it sometime. Break is good, but I hope you get that itch again. Because I want that I'm full DJ mode with Apex Legends. Oh no. We've lost him.
We've lost him. He's gone.
Well, if one day you decide to return, we will be here to welcome you back. Hopefully. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know what index is that on? 0. Minus 50. But I'm not going to be able to put it between them. God damn it. It's this one. Yeah. But they're all on Z index minus 50. God damn. Take very few breaks. Yeah, I mean we do take breaks. Sometimes. Yeah. Not as of recently, but we actually, before we started the Cat Cafe game, we didn't do anything for maybe 6 months or something like that.
Yeah.
We were done with it, you know?
Yeah.
Had a bunch of half-baked projects that didn't feel so good.
Yeah.
But yeah, we came back with a vengeance.
With a vengeance. Yeah.
The tile maps are not Y sorted. They're not Y sorted. Isn't this annoying?
I mean, she can be in front of the fence behind the fine. Like, just move her.
That's true. Like she can just be here.
Okay.
Just hiding.
Yeah, she's safe.
See how that looks. There's Makuku. Pixel Makuku.
Pixel Makuku.
Oh. There she is.
Oh.
I feel like you need to hide her though. Like this. She's just peeking.
The little head is so
Put her on the
cute.
porch. That is a cool idea, actually. Ah, but then you can't hide her there.
I would have to draw her on that. Wouldn't I? Yeah.
I like that though, right?
I like that.
You're
That's
just
cute.
peeking there. Easter egg.
Little Easter egg. Makuku Easter
Yeah.
egg.
No.
No, she's not gonna get eaten. You could put some more stuff there, like some tires and some bits, so it's like...
Fun fact, macas are completely immune to zombies. True.
Oh, you should do that because then the lore is that the zombies are scared of her, and because that they don't go in the safe zone.
Yeah. I just got logicked. That's very true. And one corner of the visible box be damaged. One corner.
Right. Like...
How so?
Yeah, like just add some distress to the... But see how she looks like in the porch?
Yeah. Let me try that. Oh god. Where is that?
Oh no.
What the heck? Z index hell. What?
The box does look pretty clean, you're right. How...
What do you mean, the maca box?
I didn't add any... Well, yeah,
It's
I did
okay.
add. I
Yeah,
did,
there's
I
some-
did, I
there's
did
some
add some
smudges.
I added some like grub to it, but
Yeah.
maybe it's just not enough.
Hmm.
Yeah, the colors maybe are not as that noticeable from far away, so maybe I could make that a bit clearer.
It would need a shadow as well.
Yeah.
I think use this, it'll work out.
Oh god. Sorry if nitpicky was... No, that's okay. And I agree. It certainly from like farther away, you can't see those details, so it just means that I just need to go back into that and then add a bit more contrast so that you do see it. Because yeah, it doesn't make sense to have a perfect box.
Mm.
Yeah.
I think the shadow helps.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe Mac is hidden in the box, and when you get up to it, Mac pops out.
I would love to do that. I would love to do that. Even if she just like comes out, like swipes and then hides.
Yeah. Well, that's one other thing to add to the list of animations and things to do.
Use show below parent. Let me try that. Where is that? This one? Nice. Blind Master coming in clutch. Thank you.
Thank you for the helps.
I had Jackal mention as well. Nice. Yeah, that's way better. Thank you very much. Yeah, but I don't know if you guys saw, but we have a ton. Selena's made a ton of things. I feel like I mentioned this every stream.
There's even a little poop.
I have to do it. Like, look at this. We got sticks and leaves and flowers. I'm not gonna ask what that is.
You asked for a sus puddle.
We got little cracks and stuff, so that because the road is very smooth, right? So some like cracks that we can put on it. Yeah. Different trees. You just have to go and do it. These would look really cool with the sway as well, the wind sway shader.
Yeah, for sure.
I think that could make the game
Oh, hello,
visual
supervisor.
level up a little bit.
Hi. Hello. How are you?
You have systematic, but not too systematic. Yeah, there's definitely a balance.
The cat jumped out of the game.
Yeah. She goes in and out as she pleases. It seems she too is interdimensional, Temtic. Just like you. Oh, I like that the line that you done to separate it looks really cool.
Yeah, I wasn't totally convinced, but
Yeah, it looks great.
it's there for now. And I still have to draw the hand holding the syringe, which I'm trying to avoid. There's too many hands in this. I don't like it. I don't want
So
it.
many hands.
I don't want it.
Well, we're past it. You could have made the decision that everyone in this universe had like 3 fingers, but you missed out.
Had Animal Crossing hands, just the little fists.
Yeah, little nubbins. Yeah, well,
I did
that was your call to make. You didn't make it.
I did that to myself.
I could figure out all those fingers.
Guess who doesn't like hands?
Yeah.
But see, that is why Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, all these AIs can't draw hands. Because we can't draw. We hate drawing hands. Everyone hates drawing hands.
All the training data was corrupted.
All the training data is people like with hands behind their head, behind their back, you know, in their pockets. Can one collect zombies in the game? Like
Like Pokemon?
Like Pokemon.
I like it. Let's add it to the feature list.
catch the zombies.
It would be cool because we like at least some of the zombies have some sort of reference.
Yeah.
And we want to add a lot more as well. Not only like zombie media references, but also it'd be cool to like our other game. We have a bunch of friends and family as people in the game. That's really fun. Maybe if the opportunity presents itself, like whether it's you guys from chat or some content creator that particularly likes the game, it'd be cool to add that. So maybe having like a place where you could see all your
like a
previously
bestiary of
cured.
sorts.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Yeah.
That could be cool. And
Zombiary?
you could like toggle between zombie mode and cured mode.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
I think so. I mean, I'm a big fan of that, so I would certainly.
My God.
Was she scratching to go out?
Digging at the door. She wants out.
Yeah, I really do like the art. If you had some special ones that would like give the asset more stage. Yeah, also too, because it would give the chance to just kind of have the asset like front and center. Like, here's the hazmat zombie. You know.
Yeah, I haven't talked about it in a while, but the plan for the game is to have, like change this area here from just the safe zone, but be a lab. The doc's lab. Yeah, and it starts out like just right out after the apocalypse. It got wrecked with the chaos, but then it's your job to go out, rescue people, and then upgrade your lab and bring it back up to its former glory.
Yeah.
So that would be definitely space for a little logbook or, you know, the computer or something where you could go and look at all the zombs and stuff, right?
Yeah.
He's outside. Still have collision shapes. Yes. Yep.
Oh. He hires the zombies to work manual labor. That is actually kind of.
Mackie B, hello.
Hey.
Welcome
what's
in.
up? How you doing?
Great to see you. Hope you're doing well.
Yes, the trees outside have had their collision on.
Okay. I'm gonna be honest. Okay? Okay. Chat, come here. I'm gonna be honest for a while, okay? Heart to heart, okay? I'm even making eye contact here. I am very lazy, okay? We have to understand this. And, okay, story time. The trees outside bounds have collisions. That's bad. Hurts performance. It's useless. Pretty sure some of these never even can be on screen. It is impossible. Yet they are there with doing collision calculations and such. So, as pointed out by Mr. Fubar, I should fix that. So one day, there I was, fixing it, and I did these 4 trees, and then I got bored, and I went on here, you know, little Git client, and I reverted changes, because I didn't want to do the rest. That is what I did. That is my confession. So yeah, it's on the list. It's on the task list.
It's at the bottom of the task. It's like me drawing that hand holding the syringe doing I don't know what. It's at the bottom of the task list.
I will do it, but I'm just letting it simmer. So then when I do it, you're gonna be real happy, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Exactly.
I always learned a lazy dev is a good dev. You find the most efficient way to do something. Yeah. That's me. Efficient. Yep.
Hey, we're learning.
We're learning. Well,
learning.
Mackie, you just got here, but just earlier, I was working on this like audio manager piece of code we have here. And basically, I wanted a system so that certain sounds can only play or be playing at the same time, right? So say you have sound A and B, either sound can only play up to 10 times at once, but no more than. Anyway, here I am refactoring all my crap to make that work. And then Fubar goes, wait, aren't you doing that feature that already exists in the audio player? Yeah, I was doing that. So, hey, it works. It works. And, you know, there are many audio limiters features, but this one is mine. And I am proud of it. And it works. Yeah.
Oh. Mark is meowing.
It is what it is.
Hey, baby. Hungry? Is it almost...
And it's even like I was saying, Fubar, it's better because look, racing stripes. Does your audio manager have racing stripes? Get wrecked.
What is that good for?
It looks cooler. What do you mean, what is it for? It makes it go faster, obviously.
Basking.
Makes it go faster. Yeah, the Godot built-in audio limiter doesn't have racing stripes, does it? Committing that. Added racing stripes. Boom. Push to main. Get wrecked.
It ain't much when it's on his
mouse
work.
Anyway, yeah.
You funny.
All I can say is pizza. True.
All you can say is
True. Does your audio manager have a jetpack? God damn it! One day. This is life goals.
a jetpack. What about steak? Ooh. I mean, I could do a steak. Any day.
Pizza and steak, classic combo.
Exactly. Had a bit of a line going through him, so I'm fixing that.
Oh my god, he's impaled.
No, he's not. He's just running out of frame.
I love the duck in the background. Zombie steak.
Zombie steak? I don't know about that one. Yeah.
Is that how zombie, like, obviously when a zombie bites you or maybe scratches you or something, it infects you. But where are the boundaries? Is it just any fluid? Like if they sneeze on you. Wait, stop.
What?
No, that is wrong. We're talking about zombies here. What the hell?
I didn't say anything.
I meant like drool or something. God damn it. Oh my
I
god.
wasn't sure what you were talking about.
Okay. Ay.
Ay.
My point
Continue,
was.
yes.
My point was, can you eat zombie?
Can you eat a zombie?
Also, more importantly, is it still cannibalism? Because are they humans?
Yes.
Okay.
You say think about it, but yes.
Okay.
They are very much. They are. I would think.
Well, I'm still waiting for.
Exactly. From The Walking Dead, didn't Rick famously said, "We are the Walking Dead"?
Sure, they're already infected, yeah, but they can still get like doubly infected. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's pretty stupid. But if they get bitten, they get the fever and stuff, right? So if you eat zombie, maybe you cook it before. You should probably cook it before. But do you still get the infection? You know.
I wouldn't risk it.
You know, you can only hope that someone explores this in their next piece of zombie media entertainment. I can't wait.
Too bad I'm here. Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh no.
Good catch.
You got me this time.
we need to put that one on Discord.
No. Oh no.
Oh god.
Never safe.
Yeah. Make sure you cook it well enough. Yeah. Bit of a char probably on that one, just to be safe.
Little char. Yeah.
Yeah.
You definitely don't want that medium rare.
I hope you're doing YouTube shorts. Yeah. We've been posting a couple. Yeah, just like stream stuff. Celine did one today of the doc just prancing around with his bouncy mustache.
Yeah.
What about if there's a possible failure chance for some people who can't be rescued? So zombies would have a decaying limit. Wait, hold on. This is big brain. I wasn't prepared for big brain. For some people who can't be rescued, so zombies would have a decaying limit. So you'd have some time limitation for certain things, maybe, and thus you have to cure them. It's too late. You can use them for labor or whatever. That. Wait, what? The worse their general constitution, the dumber the AI will act. I was not prepared. What?
All right, time to get your food.
Use
Catch
them
you later.
Yeah, catch you later. Pizza? Question mark?
Pizza?
Use them for labor. Use the zombies for labor? I don't know. IC3Q4 is cooking. They're cooking. I honestly have Zombies have a decaying bar. Right. Yeah. I'm with you. Which would be like time limit, right? Only above a certain percent they can be rescued. Right. So that would indicate like maybe the virus hasn't fully mesticized. I don't know that word. I don't know why I try to use it. It's very long.
Metastasized?
Metastasized. That's the one.
I don't know if that's right, but...
Right. So if it gets to a point, the virus spreads too far into their system, the cure can no longer bring them back. What do you do with them? Got it. So you're saying you can still put them to use. That is an interesting idea. Because the lab is going to need power generation, you know? What better than a never tiring zombie?
Yeah. Because we were just going to have like the different people you unlock, like the scientists and the nurse and stuff, come back to the lab to help you out.
Very true. Very true.
But that sounds like
yeah.
an idea.
I knew IC3Q4 was cooking. You just needed to elaborate. I'm with you now. But it kind of tangent to what you're saying, but as I was reading what you were saying, it's also a cool design space to, even within a run, have like little side objectives. Pretty much every game of this genre is now doing this in one way or another. If you guys have played Deep Rock Galactic Survivors, not sure, the like bullet heaven typey thing, they have, you know, you're doing your run and stuff, finding the aliens, but then a little drop pod drops and you have to go to it and like clear the area so you can open it. It's like a little side objective within the run that can be really fun. So that's probably something that we could explore in the future as well. Maybe like a care package airdrop, right? And you need to stand around it for a bit to unlock it and get something. Something like that. Could be cool.
Could be cool.
Now my audio manager has jetpack. Nice. Lion Master one-upped me. My dumb racing stripes. It looks shitty, but it's still a jetpack. What was I gonna say?
I don't know.
Yeah, the goal with the meta progression in our game is to have a very like a no power creep thing where you are unlocking more content, which will be in the form of different upgrade cards that get progressively crazier and stronger, but at the same time, the way that you need to upgrade your lab to unlock those cards is to upgrade your power generation in the lab. And as that makes more like radiation or noise or something from your lab, that means that more and stronger zombies will come as well. So yeah, you know, you'll unlock, let's say, a jetpack upgrade, but because of the bigger power generation required for that to work, you know, you might get the big tank zombies arriving as well. So it's like a trade-off. That way, the game is never necessarily getting easier. You're just like progressing the gameplay, adding more mechanics, changing it up so it keeps interesting for a bit. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm not too sure what we're going to do in terms of the resources required. I think we're going to do like manpower. You know, you're rescuing people, bringing them to your lab so they'll help you build stuff. And then like scientists will be their own resource. Maybe if we do different maps, you could have like military people that you're saving and they grant you access to some more military style upgrades. Who knows? Just talking scope creep again. You know how it is. Yeah. Can rescued people be infected again? Yeah. Yeah, if you don't bring them back to the safe zone, they can get reinfected. Maka.
She's coming back.
Oh.
I'm not sure what she's up to.
She's putting her butt on the mic, which you then put your mouth
No!
on. It's not good.
It's not. Her butt is not on the mic. Oh, don't eat my cashews.
All right, show us the progress. We started with like one panel. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
I think that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
There's stuff missing from every panel, but just because I felt like jumping ahead
That's okay.
rather than finishing any.
You get the bigger picture as you go.
Yeah, I did that today with the exception of the first panel, which we did that on Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, everything else I did today.
What happens if an infected survivor enters the safe zone right before turning into a zombie? At the moment, that can happen. They go fully immune as they're running in. But yeah.
We don't know what happens behind
behind
the scenes.
Yeah, we never gone in there, so who knows? Maybe they're all turned back.
Yeah, once you get inside, it's actually like, oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the plan is tomorrow we need to wrap up the last few bits on this comic.
I need to finish the comic, which I think I'm pretty on track.
Yeah,
I just
think
have
so.
to do the coloring and then add all the sort of like lines and flashes. And stuff,
Yeah.
and
A little polish at the end.
Yeah.
And I will be adding the little gameplay tutorial. Artist on track. Unheard of.
Rare sight.
Why
are you lying? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'm shooting myself in the foot right now.
Yeah, I'll be adding some GIFs and like explaining the cure spreading mechanic and then taking people back to the safe zone. Just to make it clear for people that don't quite grasp it immediately that we promise the game isn't broken. There's a method to the cure application.
Yeah.
Hopefully that'll help a little bit. Yeah. And we'll see. The goal is to finish the patch by the end of tomorrow. We will see where we get. We will see.
We will see. Yeah.
Yeah. So let us find some friendos.
And then, maybe, well, do you have the Discord link to hand? So anyone wants.
Yeah,
Discord?
you can just do exclamation Discord in chat.
Oh, can I?
Mm-hmm.
Is that how that works?
Mm-hmm.
Don't lie to me. Oh, there you go.
It is what it is.
Yeah, I'll be posting the finished comic pieces on there as well.
Mm-hmm.
I might just post the first page today since that's pretty much done.
Yeah.
Just export that and post it so you can zoom in all the little details and point out
All the missing fingers.
All the missing fingers. It's not a nerdy username, it's a phony. I'm sorry, that's just what my name is.
It's pretty nerdy. I think it's pretty nerdy. Right. So why don't we find someone to send some love over on any Godot stream? If anyone has any recommendations, do feel free.
You're waiting for something nicely done. Anything's so rushed these days, and you can't select the monitor play or no process. Just take time. The details bring the audience. Yeah,
That's fair.
I agree with that.
Doesn't say nerd in it. True.
Okay, can I change it? I'll go and change it for next time.
Actually,
I'll
no.
change it.
You probably can change it. Madame Nerd.
Madame Nerd. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that if I can. Don't know.
Voxel Gaming Godot. That sounds badass. I'd be down for that.
Yeah. Oh, I'm in 4K.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Showcasing that art.
It's good. That was a lot for one afternoon.
Nikki. Yeah, I got him. I think I've been on his stream before, actually. Well, guys, he is literally 6 followers off of his 500 goal.
Oh, for real?
So let's try and help him out. Let's see if we can push it over the line. I think that would be fun. As always, thank you so much for joining.
Thanks for joining us.
Always a blast every time.
Yeah.
Some good progress. Yeah.
And
You guys are awesome.
We'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, probably same time at 1 p.m.
Yeah.
We need to go to the gym in the morning.
Oh no.
That's gonna suck, but we're gonna do it anyway. Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right.
See you then.
See you guys.
You guys are awesome.
Have
Love
an
you guys.
awesome day.
Johnny Wilkinson thinks they got it. We got it. But you know, shit happens. We've got it. It's a done deal. We got it.
Dang, I was hoping to unhorse them. And two nerdy nerds, how's it going? Welcome in. How's it going, Raiders? Hey yo, Raid. Hello. How are you? Welcome in. What were you working on? How's it going?